This is Museum Square. Welcome to AmsterdamVideo.com. Good morning, y'all. It's Wednesday. Look at how quiet it is out on the streets. I think it's vacation. So anyway, I'm on my way to the office on this pretty nice day. Yeah, I'm getting to spend the entire day inside. Such a pity. But as a means of cheering up, here's a little green man. So good morning.
Bars over Amsterdam.
Well, today I'm all alone at the office. So yesterday I purchased some stuff in advance. Bottle of Coke, bottle of appelsientje orange soda. That's new. Normally they only have orange juice. And some stuff to eat. Nope, that's not mine. That's my colleague's. He likes that ham in a tin. Not for me though. This stuff is all mine. So let's have breakfast. Ooh, chocolatey goodness. Well, let's get to work. This little computer has trouble saving Word documents. However, I just tried it and no problem at all. Strange. Man, it's hot, I'm still inside and it's busy. The fun keeps on going and going and going. Well guys, the workday has come to an end. So right now I'm not on my way to HQ as usual, but I'm on my way to Sphie-chan's house, where I will meet up with him, with Sphie, and with Tazzie for the first time. So yeah, that should be good. They actually went to the same concert of Lindsay Sterling where I went back in, what was it, January? But yeah, we have been in contact over the interwebs ever since, but still haven't met. So tonight is gonna be the first time to do that. Coincidentally, they happen to live right here in the village. So that's a short journey. Well, that was fun. Spent a generous 3.5 hours at Sphie-chan and Nattie-chan. Yep, good fun. Didn't film inside though, respecting their privacy and all, you know. Yeah, good stuff. And now it's time to head back to my own little monster. Because yeah, she has been waiting for me. The poor pooch. On the way to Chibi. Chibi-dibby-dibby-dibby-dibby. Well, come to think of it, this is probably one of the longest evenings I've spent in the village. Huh. Funny how things can unfold over time. So anyway, heading over to HQ. Now this is starting to look familiar again. Almost back. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, cutie. Hi, cutie. How are you today? How are you today? Oh, so happy. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Well guys, another fun day comes to an end. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again tomorrow. Hey, cheerio.
Hello, Dr. Green Thumb. Paging Dr. Green Thumb.